Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International at the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, there are renewed calls for motorists to drive with care, particularly during this holiday period. This as the carnage on the nation's roads continued last night with 3 fatalities in 2 separate incidents. The first happened in Duncan's Trelawny sometime after 6 p.m. when a trailer truck hit 4 men who were riding ATV bikes. The truck driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle after colliding into another vehicle traveling in the opposite direction, causing the truck to overturn and then slamming into the men riding the ATVs. 2 of them, identified as 33-year-old Stefan Bruce and 29-year-old Michael Fletcher, died.